Standard. Describe prehistoric and historic American Indian cultures, governments, and economy. Students will understand the importance of understanding other cultures and people. Objective. Students will understand what a spear is and what the Native American Indians used it for. Students will also learn how to express what they know, what they want to know, and what they have learned through a KWL activity. We will be teaching third graders. These are just some pictures of the Native Americans. As you can see, one is on a horse and he is holding his spear in his right hand. And this is another picture of Indians gathering around doing their normal ritual.
This is an example of the KWL chart that the students will be using on this particular project. Once the student has completed the K and the W part of the KWL chart, we will then begin to introduce the students to the Native American Indian culture. We will show them pictures of the Indians and the different kind of spears they used and made. Our main focus is to show the students how the Native Americans used the spears in their culture and how it was beneficial to them. A spear is just simply a weapon with a long shaft and a pointed tip at the end. After we have taught them about the spears, the students will be broken down into groups. In these groups, they will have to design a spear using the 3D printer. They will use the one that we have designed as an example. They could have any design they want because the Indian made spears out of anything.
As you can see, this is a Native American Indian practicing his spear throwing skills. I guess he is aiming at some type of target in which he will focus on in order to pretend like it's an actual person. As you can see in this picture, this is one of the pictures of an animal that the Native American hunted with their spear. This particular animal provided the Indians with food as well as clothing. This is the process of a 3D printer making a 3D model, which is a spear. Once they have completed their design and printed it off, they will describe their spear to the class and tell what they would use it for if they were Indians. They must tell what kind of animals they would hunt and how would they capture that particular animal. This will paint a more vivid picture in their mind about the Indian culture.
It is necessary that we use a 3D printer for this lesson because without it, they will not be able to design the particular spear they want accurately. By them designing their spear, they can make it however they want to. They will also get a better understanding of what a spear is and how important it was for the Native Americans to use it. This activity also allowed them to be more hands-on instead of just listening to a teacher lecture.
After the students have completed the assignment, they would then have to fill in the L part on the KWL chart to show us the teachers that they have gotten an understanding of how to actually create a spear.